introducing management formally through the lesson of Introduction to Management. And now this starts with, what is the definition of management? Management is the process of coordinating work activities with and through other people so they are completed efficiently and effectively. A very important definition. First of all, with and through. These are the two terms that we have to understand. People work together. Now, management's job is to make sure that they're providing the right directions to all the employees and they're working with them so that the job is done through the employees who are given all the tasks that are to be done. And they are completed efficiently and effectively. The efficiency and effectiveness of any job, any decision that has been taken is extremely important because that then has a domino effect and the organization by itself, it performs well. So principles of management are based on planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting. Now, all of these things, the plan has to be made by the management. Once the management makes the right plan, then organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting are then done. Now, we'll go into each of them one by one and we'll see what they are. Before that, we have the nature of management. It is distinct process and an organized activity. Management is not random. Management is not spur of the moment. Management has to be properly planned and designed because management only means you are giving directions to others to perform a certain job. So it has to be a very planned activity. Everyone has to be informed in the right manner. It aims at the accomplishment of predetermined objectives. Any organization that is created, any project that is planned, it always has to have an objective. What is an objective? The end goal that you are aiming to reach. So to reach that objective, you manage well. Now, its principles are universal in nature and it integrates human and other resources. What are the other resources apart from human resource we have? We have capital, we have physical and intellectual. These are the other three levels of resources plus human resource. These are the four pillars of any organization on which it stands and then it functions. Looking at the definitions, we have a couple of definitions over here. As per Louis Boone and David Kurtz, the use of people and other resources to accomplish objectives. So the term, if you notice, is the use of people and to accomplish the objectives. This is what management is. As per Mary Parker, the act of getting things done through people. Same thing. And Frederick Taylor defines management as the art of knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. Very important term indeed. Now, what Frederick Taylor says is that you should know the art of making people do certain things, to accomplish certain objectives, to accomplish certain tasks in the cheapest possible manner. Now, when we say cheapest, it does not only come in terms of capital or finances, in terms of reserving the resources, in terms of utilizing the human resource in the best possible manner, in terms of using the physical resources in as many places as possible. The better you can do a management, the better you know that what could be the multi-talents of any kind of resource that you have. Even if you talk about finances, you talk about money, how well do you do the budgeting? How can you recover the money faster? How can you utilize the recovered money into another project and make more money? These are all the decisions that management has to make. Once you have the better understanding, you get to understand how well to reserve as well as utilize the resources that are provided to any organization.